everyone, I'm Alexandria. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to be talking about how to get rid of knee pain. First of all, let's understand what knee pain is. So knee pain is going to be any kind of discomfort or any kind of unusual feelings that you're going to have in your actual knee joints. Now, this can happen for lots of different reasons because our knee joint is one of the most mobile joints in the body and designed to take lots of weight and pressure and exertion. Knee pain is a common condition that can be caused by both short-term and long-term problems. Many short-term knee problems do not need any help from doctors, and people can often help with their own recovery. Home remedies can also help with many of the long-term problems with knee pain as well. Today in this video, we're going to talk about 15 ways how to get rid of your knee pain right at home. The first one's going to be physical activity. This may seem counterproductive if your knees hurt to do more physical activity, but if you seek medical professional guidance, you could definitely do some guided exercises to really help strengthen that knee and really help to really get rid of that pain. And also this could really help preventing any further injury or trauma happening to the knee. Posture and support are also two great ways to really help get rid of that knee pain. And so if you are really conscious about your posture, if you're conscious about how you're supporting your body, that's going to be really great to really cut down on the pain that you can be feeling in your knees. Also, it may be a good idea to look into something like a brace or something of that nature to really help give you that extra added support. Weight loss and diet are two great ways to really cut down on the knee pain. Weight loss, if you get rid of some of the pressure and weight on your knees themselves, that could really greatly reduce what you're feeling in your knees. So even with your diets, if you're eating bad foods and anything like that, it can really adversely affect the body in a negative way. There's another system of how to really cut down on knee pain, and that is called the PRICE system, and that stands for protection, rest, ice, compression, and elevate. So if you follow those steps, you can definitely get rid of the knee pain as well. Aromatherapy preparations are another great way. This may seem like maybe simple or a funny tip, but if you really look into different aromatherapies that can help relax the body, that can definitely help get you back on your feet. Hot and cold compressions are really great. So this can mean things like heating pads, hot water bottles, anything of that nature, as well as ice packs. So with ice packs, that will really help decrease the blood flow. It will decrease swelling and inflammation, really help you get rid of your pain. And finally, a TENS unit is another great way to really get rid of the knee pain that you may be experiencing. Electrotherapy is really going to be a non-invasive, holistic way to really target whatever knee pain you may be experiencing. This is going to be something that is going to really be great for you to use at home, and you can actually use them on the go. So electrotherapy is really a great therapy system for pain. Basically what it does is it just sends kind of tingling sensations, electrodes through the skin, and actually kind of rewires how our brain perceives that pain, also while creating endorphins, which make you overall feel better.